A good Friday out there, everyone. Storm Tracker 8 forecaster Tyler Hull here, providing you a Friday midday weather update on this Friday, October 10th, 2025. So we are going to be seeing increasing clouds the rest of our Friday, making it partly sunny during the early afternoon hours. Temperatures in the upper 60s, very similar to yesterday. It'll be less breezy as well. Our upcoming Friday night through Saturday morning, and honestly, the majority of our Saturday and Sunday, we're going to see a lot more in the way of clouds. So moisture is going to be streaming on in ahead and along this coastal weather system that is going to bring quite a bit of impacts to coastal Virginia, coastal North Carolina, and coastal South Carolina as well, with strong gusty winds for them. Flooding issues, lots of rain, things like that. Some power outages, isolated power outages are a possibility for coastal communities. And here in Central Virginia, we're going to start to see some showers developing very late in the day on Saturday. So Saturday is the pick day of this upcoming weekend. Yes, it's going to be cloudy. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s to around 70 tomorrow. Rain's really going to be picking up in a big way by Saturday night. Could start as early as Saturday evening as some isolated showers, but the coverage really starts to pick up Saturday night into Sunday morning. It's going to be moderate to heavy at times as far as the intensity of the rain is concerned Saturday night through Sunday afternoon, just based on what we're seeing as of right now. And of course, this is subject to change as we continue to get updated information. As far as overall rainfall totals are concerned, from late Saturday through early on Monday, maybe into Monday afternoon, if we see some lingering isolated showers, could be looking at a widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain, and that'll be beneficial, particularly for areas along and west of Interstate 95 that are still dealing with at least a moderate drought right now. And that's a big deal when it comes to the fall foliage season, the second half of October across the state, also the fall wildfire season that picks up as well throughout the months of October and November. So that'll be beneficial as far as the rain is concerned. Now, as far as the wind part of this forecast, again, it is going to get a bit breezy by Saturday night across Central Virginia, and it is going to be a breezy to at times a windy day across Central Virginia on Sunday. Windy conditions up and along the coasts of Maryland, Virginia, and North Carolina, as you can see, and that's where that isolated power outage concern comes into play for those folks. Meanwhile, for us, it's still going to be breezy on Sunday night into Monday morning, so anticipate a breezy couple of days, Sunday and Monday, and again, lots of showers pushing on through as well. We head out to the tropics. Tropical Storm Jerry still has maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour as of the 11 a.m. advisory, and it's expected to remain at tropical storm strength, actually, at this point, and then take a sharp right turn eastward late in the weekend into early on Monday and head out to sea and fizzle on out altogether. Meanwhile, we have subtropical storm Karen, and this is in the North Atlantic Ocean. This is not expected to be a threat to the United States or anything like that, and that'll fizzle on out altogether by Saturday night, if not Sunday morning. Okay, so increasing clouds the rest of our Friday. Temperatures in the upper 60s, less breezy compared to our Thursday. Again, monitoring this coastal weather system for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Rain's going to be picking up the second half of our Saturday, really picking up in a big way by Saturday night, and continue for the majority, if not all, of Sunday. Breezy conditions Sunday and Monday, and then we're in for much better weather conditions Tuesday, Wednesday, and beyond. Have that 8 News app at your fingertips. Definitely stay with us on air and online all weekend long as far as this coastal weather system is concerned. And of course, Matt will have plenty of updates on this upcoming Friday evening when it comes to this rain and wind event coming on into Central Virginia. But again, the brunt of the impacts are expected to be felt down by Hampton Road, so coastal Virginia, over the course of the weekend.